coincidence. Generally, marriage it's okay, but mostly it's okay. But some other places it's going wrong. Actually, arranged marriage may be there with the permission of parents, and everything is going on smoothly. And the dot when the daughter-in-law is entering into the in-laws house, so her husband is the support like that she feels. But once entering into the house, if she is having the brother, if she is having husband, no husband brothers are there, the dominating brothers wives are there, somebody they may have the complex. The two, the well skillful education side, full skillful person is entering into the house means already in the in-laws house, husband's brother's wife means the co-sisters, they may get jealous because of having that inferiority complex. They may try to hurt, and they try to divide the husband and wife, or such type of person try to give torture, even if it is not possible directly, means screwing and brainwashing. This newly married lady's husband. So that time, many years, this daughter-in-law husband is having a good relationship with the in-laws members. So what they say is right in that mentality, that daughter-in-law's husband may feel. But where is the truth? Where is the moral? Which side is right? Blindly closing the eyes and doing torturing, beating, disrespecting bitterly in front of the husband's brothers. Many brothers are there, one brother's wife. And in fact, the daughter-in-law has come and she's having husband, the husband's elder brother's wife. She has also come to this house as a daughter-in-law of this house. What? Nobody has given any post. Take it for granted. She takes her own post, cheap rate. All people are, you are very nice. Yeah, this is coming very bitterly. It's our fate to have such things, such persons like that. So, what is that? There is no separate syllabus. Actually, inside the house, the daughter, one girl, she's having good affection from the parents before her marriage. Even after her marriage also, she should get the good affection. Same syllabus should be there. So, mother's side, what affection? That much affection we can't expect in in-laws house. But at the same time, food items and all, that pattern and all, cruelty should not be there. They should not be say, what you are eating first? You are trying to take the plate first. Are we lower to you? Whatever thing, whatever scolding to whoever, what is that? But while eating time, nobody disturb others. They may feel, what is this? So eating time, nobody should disgrace or low others. Then what happened? What I want to say is, exam, it is not having from mother's house to mother-in-law's house are going, that one girl is getting married, I told no. There is no syllabus. There is no syllabus in mother's side. Maybe syllabus, actually there is no test, no interview, there is nothing to write in. So after that only we have to go get pass and go to the in-laws house. This is not the thing. Step by step we will come to know according to the situation in that house. These are all some jerk, no. So jerk time. So one girl who has got married and she's having some jerk from mother's house to in-laws house. That time only one person she knows. Who is that? Her husband. Even her husband is not supporting, and he is listening all the bad, illiterate, torturing, poisoning words or poisoning thoughts injecting by his husband's brother's wives. So hearing that, giving torture to the newly married wife, is it right? Is it a logic one? But many of the places or some of the places it's happening, it should be condemned.